Yeah, good morning, everyone. After yesterday sharp decline because of the problem in Israel and Gaza, uh, now the things are settling. Oil has remained more of a flattish as compared to same time last yesterday. So indicating that the event which has happened may not have large impact on the overall world economy and market. At such a one-day event getting over. Now, need to be watched whether this get aggravated any further. But looking at the overall scene, it looks like this was more of a short-term event, which now market will absorb. As such, US market had seen positive trend yesterday, and even today morning the futures are positive, and Asian markets are all indicating positive trend with more than 1% positive. Though commodities are seeing some softness in China, with iron ore and steel both are down by 2 and 1% respectively. Dollar index is indicating further softness, and that will support the overall sentiment and market for India. Need to be watchful in small cap and mid cap. They are seeing some corrections and sharper correction than the broader market. Earlier, the scene was a bit different. Broader market was seeing correction, but small cap and mid cap were remaining strong. Now, small cap and mid cap are seeing larger correction than the large cap. This is maybe now the quarterly results are in front of us, and all the price which has increased of the mid cap and small cap will be tested against the result. So need to be careful in small cap and mid cap stock. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up opening, and we are likely to witness some sort of a positive momentum during the day. On the high side, as of now, 19,570, 19,600 will act as a strong resistance level. This pullback rally may be a short-lived, so one should book the profits on every rise as such, because the overall trend will remain on a downside itself as long as Nifty trades below 19,800 level, which is the strong resistance level provided by its 20 days moving average. Coming towards the downside, as of now, 19,460, 19,400 will act as a strong support level. If it's break that level, then more selling pressure is likely to be intensified, which might take a Nifty towards 19,300 levels on the low sides. So the view is a bit cautious. Trade each and every transaction with the strict stop losses. Coming towards the bank Nifty, yesterday we have seen a huge correction into the bank Nifty. On the closing basis, it was down by more than 1%, just hovering near its by support of 44,000 levels. Today, if it's break that level, then more selling pressure is likely to be seen into the bank Nifty, which might take a Nifty towards 43,700 to 43,500 levels. That will be the crucial support level for the bank Nifty. Whereas on high side, as of now, 44,200, 44,430 will act as a crucial resistance levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,790, 19,900 are the two resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas on the downside, 19,610, 19,540 are the crucial support levels. The view on the three indices will remain a cautious itself as long as it trades below the mentioned resistance level. Coming toward the stock specific, Kotak Bank really looks good on the technical front. We might witness some positive momentum in this particular counter, which might take a bank towards to 1805, 1810 levels. So one can take a long positions. 1700 will can be kept as a stop loss. That's it from my end. I request every two team to take call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are witnessing that Nifty is facing strong resistance on the higher, and the selling pressure has been continuously witnessed from 19,600 to 700 range, where we are seeing that the call writer positions is strongly getting added on daily basis. But on the downside, also we are seeing that at 19,400 level is acting as an important supportive zone. On the monthly basis, also if we look at the overall put writer position at 19,500 and 400 strike almost around 22 million positions of put writer support is there in the range of 19,400 to 500 level. So once if Nifty goes below 19,400 level, then major shorts will be entered in the market, due to which the Nifty will drag towards 19,200 to 18,800 levels. So once if Nifty goes below 19,400 level, as per yesterday's scenario, also we are seeing that the call writer positions got added up heavily against that. At the same strike, we are seeing that the put writer positions got liquidated at near strike. Today we are seeing that Nifty is likely to open around 1,800 points on the upper end, but again from that level we might witness some selling pressure in today's trading session. So once if in today's trading session Nifty again goes below 19,470 level, new short can be created towards 19,400 level, while PCR yesterday closed at 1.06 level. Once again, if PCR goes above 1.18 level, then only we might witness the positive stability in the market. But till the time PCR is not going above 1.18 level, till that point of time, market scenario might be a bit cautious in coming trading session. Another data point is India VIX. India VIX yesterday increased by 12%, giving close around 11.40 level. So the range of Nifty has opened more 200 points on the lower and higher end. Once if India VIX goes above 13.4 level, then 13.5 range, then at that point of time the momentum will get highly fluctuable, because at 13.5 above India VIX, the Nifty momentum will be almost around 800 to 1000 points on the monthly basis. So as per current scenario, still the VIX is trading above 13 point below 13.5 level, and Nifty is trading above the supportive levels. So we should watch for the 13.5 level of VIX and Nifty support of 19,400. Below that, only new short need to be created. As per the stock specific and sectoral specific, pharma counter looks positive. Overall, major pharma stocks have shown major rally in yesterday trading session, and we expect the buying momentum to be continued in those pharma counters. Selective would be Oro Pharma looks positive, and Laurus Labs looks positive. While on the negative front, Granules India, Persistent, and Bosch Limited looks negative in today's trading session. So that's it from Direct Front. Thank you.
Good morning. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has signed a letter of intent with a European client for construction of 6 firm and 4 optional units of 7,500 ton multi-purpose hybrid vessels. The prices would be determined when the contract is signed. This is positive. Dilip Buildcon has received orders worth almost 400 crores for construction of Devas 3 and 4 dams in Udaipur. Positive. Genus Power Infrastructure has received 2 letter of awards worth 3,100 crores for design of advanced metering infrastructure system with supply, installation and commissioning of 34.8 lakh smart meters. So positive for Genus Power, and total order book has increased to 14,000 crores, and they are expecting more orders to come in the remaining of the year. GR Infra and Patel Engineering have a 50-50 joint venture called Dibang Power, where that this JV has secured the contract agreement with NHPC for 3,600 crores for construction of civil works in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is positive for both the companies. Also, life insurance data has come for the month of September. The annualized premium equivalent growth for the industry as a whole was negative 2%. This was mainly because of 18% decline in APE seen in case of LIC. If we look at the total private players, then the private players have grown by 12% year on year, of which Max Life grew by 30%, SBI Life by 16%, HDFC Life by 8%, and ICICI Prudential declined by 3%. So expect a positive reaction in Max Life and SBI Life. Thank you.
Good morning. Container Corporation volume data for the quarter ended September has come in, and the total volume increased to 12.3 lakhs, which is up 12.5% QOQ and 7.6% year on year. Of this, exempt volume came at 9.6 lakhs, which improved by 15.2% QOQ, and domestic volume came at 2.6 lakhs, which is up 3.6% QOQ. So this is positive to the company. Thank you.
Apart from this, one sugar company has announced the result. That is Dhampur Bio. Though the company is small, but this give indications of how the sugar company result will be coming. So here we saw declining trend in the results, wherein revenue has increased by year on year by 30%, but EBITDA declined by 15% year on year, and EBITDA margin came in at 2.9% versus year on year 4.3%. This being off season, so generally the results are lower Q on Q basis, but year on year also we saw some decline. Uh, though sugar prices has moved up from 15th September from around level of around 36 and a half to around 38 rupees now. The benefit of the same may be coming in the coming quarter, but this quarter is soft, and similar trend will be visible in the other sugar company also. So need to be careful in sugar stock from this perspective. Then one of the company, Avental Limited, has come up with a very good numbers. Though the uh, revenue declined by 21% quarter on quarter, but increased by 50% year on year. The key thing is that the EBITDA margin has improved very sharply, which was at around 20% last quarter, has moved up to 46%. Company by nature has a lumpy revenue. As such, the revenues are up and down, but margin improvement is substantial, and company has reported 2 rupees EPS in this quarter. Company also declared 2 shares for every 1 share as a bonus share, so the stock can see movement on this account. One more thing is that government has increased the prices for advertisement on the radio. This is after 7 years, and the increase is also very substantial at around 43%. So, companies in radio sectors, that is music broadcasting and ENIL, which are directly participating in radio business, are likely to benefit more, whereas there are some other companies which are indirectly participating, like Sun TV and all. That will also have some marginal benefit, but these two companies will have a higher benefit. Apart from that, now the election year is also coming, wherein they get good advertisement from the government. And Q3, that is October to December quarter, is seasonally very strong for radio companies. So all these factors will act as a positive for radio company, and the outlook for them is positive. Then there is an antitrust case has been filed against Dr. Reddy. That is for Revlimid. The Revlimid, the tie-up with the innovator was that the Revlimid will be introduced at a later stage, and that too the inventor has defined the quantity which has to be sold by other companies who are manufacturing or got permission to sell Revlimid, and that will continue till next another 2 years. So that has led to lower decline in Revlimid prices, and we saw last quarter a lot of companies has reported very good number because of this particular drug. Now there is an antitrust case has been filed against Dr. Reddy and other companies as well, which no doubt announcement has not come, but it is, I think, included in the overall antitrust case filing. So the context of the case is also similar, like they had acted as more of a consortium, and has not allowed market forces to play and price to decline, and as such has benefited because of this arrangement. So this case has been filed and can have some negative impact or sentimental negative impact on pharma company which has higher benefit because of Revlimid. In that, Dr. Reddy is one of the highest, and apart from that, Natco, Sun Pharma, Lupin all have the benefit of Revlimid. So may act as a sentimental negative in near term for the pharma company. Then UK big team is visiting to India in this weekend. Almost 30 people are coming for finalization of or reaching to the conclusion for the trade agreement, wherein a lot of duties will be coming down between the trade between India and UK. And this will act as positive for the companies which are exporting from India to the UK market, especially textile sectors. So that we can see some positive trend in the coming period. Now I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. We had seen a good rally in commodities yesterday, and today we are expecting some profit taking. So gold, one can one can expect the prices testing the resistance zone at 57,800 to 850. So one can sell with a stop loss of 58,000, and on downside again, uh, 57 500 to 57 400, where one can initiate a buy for a pullback. Silver also, if it is sustaining below 69 200, then we are expecting some profit taking till 68 400 to 300. So watch out, if it is sustaining below 69 200, then one can initiate a sell. And crude oil prices are expected to remain positive. So buying on dip is recommended. Buying around 7130 7140 is recommended with a stop loss of 7050. And on upside again, 70 to 50 7300 is the target we are eyeing for. Natural gas, yesterday we had witnessed some cool off, and it can test 275 270 on downside. So again, one can buy from these area. And on upside again, the resistance would be around 284 285. And in copper also we are expecting some profit taking, as it has already tested the resistance zone at 200 and 712, and one can sell around that levels and maintain a stop loss of 716. On downside, 705 703 is the area we are looking to take profits, and one can also initiate a buy position around that level. In zinc also, prices are expected to consolidate from 220 to 225. So trading within this range is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD, we are expecting a range bound movement. So on the higher side, we get 83.33 levels. So one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 83.41 levels for the target of 83.23 and 83.18 levels. And on the lower end, 83.20, one can initiate a long positions with a stop loss of 83.13 for the target of 83.30 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate long positions if we get some profit booking around 101.75 levels. One can initiate long positions with a stop loss of 101.43 for the target of 102.20 and 102.40 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate long positions around 88.03 levels with a stop loss of 87.80 for the target of 88.40 levels. In JPY INR, if price is sustaining above 56.36 levels, so one can initiate long positions with the stop loss of 56.20 for the target of 56.60 and 56.81 levels. Thank you.